kupiga hii operation. Na pia kwa wale ambao bado mnaficha hawa watu wa kutengeneza pombe haramu ambazo inatumalizia generation yetu na vijana wetu, tunatuma onyo kali sana kwenyu. Na tutashinda hapa mwezi mzima, tupigane na nyinyi hii vita hadi ishe. Wito wangu kwa Kenya ni tumalize hii pombe haramu. Tumalize hii pombe haramu, tusientertain hii mambo ya pombe haramu kwa vijiji. Na nashukuru sana polisi wa Central na pia kina Kangongo wa Nakuru West, at least wamefanya kazi na sisi. Na pia natuma onyo kwa police post ya Kiamunyi. Hao ndio wanaentertain ujinga na tutazidi kufanya hivyo. Na last time tulikuwa na His Excellency Deputy President Rigiji alituambia either pombe iende ama si tuende. Na mimi siko tayari kutoka Nakuru, siko tayari kutoka hapa. Ombi langu ni tuendelee kuwork na polisi vizuri, si watu wabaya, unless uprovoke mtu. Hata yeye akiwa provoke si ataumiza mwenzake. But pia polisi hawana shida yote. Ni watu wazuri, tusiwaogope, ni brothers wetu, relatives wetu.
Ngatho cia mwanya muno na ngukihoka ati ona muingi ni makorwo makinyitanira hari kuhukia uhuthiri na wendia wa ndugugio. Tugitigane na icio tukirongoreria ciegie unyitaniri wa bururi wa Kenya na mabũrũri mangi ma gitaru kia Afrika. Na ni ati Minister Nyafa Musalia Mudavadi ni ekinyitie bururi-ini wa Uganda guku mucini wa Kampala mucemanio-ini wa keri wa G25 urehete hamwe anyiti itemi matiganite na makeria urimi-ini wa kahua. Ni thirikari ya Uganda thiini wa ministry ya urimi oro ndumwe na utegi niyo igitabanĩtie kigomano giki na kiria gitanyitwo gikorwo gikirehe anyiti itemi matiganite oro ndumwe na atongoria kuma mabũrũri mangi na makeria kwarĩra mitaratara ya kwagĩrithia urimi wa kahua gĩtarũ-inĩ kia Afrika. Gũkĩrĩ ũguo mũcemanio ũyũ kana ũrĩmi wa kahua nĩ ũkoretwo ũkĩhe andũ aingĩ mĩeke ya gũthondeka mĩeke ya mawĩra oro ndumwe na gũkorwo makĩgacĩrithia urĩmi gĩtarũ-inĩ gĩkĩ kia Afrika. Tugitigane na icio tukihiuke nginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Siaya ni ati aruti wira 175 na aria makoretwo makiruta wira mawira na thirikari ya kaunti ya Siaya rungu rwa ruhonge rwa thirikari nene rwa Universal Health Care ni makoretwo makieruhirio kandarathi ya uruti wira wao. Kandarathi ciao cikoretwo cigithira mweri-ini wa gatano na riu kuria makieruhirio kandarathi na gukorwo makiheo ihinda gukorwo magithie na mbere na gutungatira muingi wa kaunti ino ya Siaya.
It's too much. It's above what it should be. But when it comes to people who are working in the health sector, who are offering services in the health sector, be it clinicians, be it nurses, be it doctors, be it radiologists. My position is that the question of the wage bill should not be a factor, because health is a matter of life and death. We have had constraints, for example, in employing more nurses, employing more doctors, and we need many people, doing your job. We need many. And sometimes I go to some of the facilities, up to the dispensaries, and most of them don't have the staff they need. And when you want to employ, you are told about the wage bill. For me, anybody working in a health institution should not be considered as part of the wage bill. The people who work in health institutions are a necessity because it's a matter of life and death. And it begins from what you may consider the smallest job to the highest consultant. Therefore, I'm very, very sympathetic to the issues that you are raising because we don't have enough people. We need more people to be employed on permanent and pensionable terms.
We are doing the same work, but the salary scale does not match. Then another thing is just paining that we are health workers. Like now, I cannot assess. Siwezi tibiwa. Like I can't get healthcare services. Now that the contract ended on May, my NHI, all of us, our NHIF is not functional, and you are the one giving that services. It's just paining, and we have bills to clear, sir. We have bills to clear. We have people on our neck. It is just sad that we were to go to CCF, but we agreed that we are just coming to see you and we sort this issue for life.
Na tugitigane na icio tukihiuke nginya kaunti-ini ya Githii ni ati cukuru wa Masaba kana cukuru wa sekondari wa Masaba ya Muhuro ni ukiambitie mubango wa guteithiriria na gucokia guoko kuri itemi-ini ria gutigirira ati ni makigia na uiguano mwega gatagati kao na muingi kuringana na cukuru uyu na uria urugamirirwo ni kanitha wa Church of God koretwo makiheana ciigitio cia mbura orondo mwe na riwa kuri atwarithia a nduthi mwena uyu kuringana na murugamiriri wa cukuru uyu muikaine ta Ndagitari George Ogosi augite ati matacukitie ikinya riri kuona mathina maria makoretwo makigererwo ni atwarithia aya a nduthi.
It is really very tricky, especially when you look at this very harsh economical situation, especially in our schools and everywhere. But I want to applaud the management of this institution for their prudency in terms of financial management. We have been able to save from the parents, it is a saving from the parents' levy that we normally receive. And apart from what we have been able to do internally, we decided that we can also get to the community and try to do something for them. So it is actually purely from parental savings.
Tulikuwa tumenyeshewa siku nyingi sana na kupigwa jua. Lakini wakati mwalimu mkuu alipofika, tukaenda tukamuongelesha, akaja akatuchangia kipanda. Tumeshukuru sana na tutakuwa tunashirikiana na shule bega kwa bega.
Ili tufanye kazi nzuri na tusaidie wananchi. Na tunashukuru principal kwa kutuchangia hizi vibanda na komiti yako yote.
Most of our members of the community, a number of them elderly, used to go very far, about 5 kilometers to fetch for water during sunny or when there's no rain. But now they have benefited from the school. And again, our school has also created an environmental club, which is very active, and every month we go out to clean our environment around the school, within the school, and around the school.
Na riboti iyo niyo yagitwikira gaturumuka maria twaikorwo tugikumathira na tugicokaniria guku metha-ini ya Muthingi TV ari Gikunjuro kia mohoro. Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni tondu ukinyitanira na ithui na gutwihokera wiroreri waku ngikwiraga ndikioyaga kiri undu wa kawaida. Ngatho cia mwanya muno na kuri aria makinyaniria mohoro maya maitu mahinda riri kuri mundu gutitherogene producer wakwa mahinda maya. Ngatho cia mwanya muno kuri andiki aitu a mohoro aria magitigirira ati ni makiriunga kaunti ciothe gutigirira ni matumenyithia uria gugiikarite no itanakiumira ngenda gukwira ati gwa uturagia ukia mucii koguo we angiko hari undu wiriragiria gwika itikira kweheria guoya ni amu ucio guoya niguo ugiragiriria ukinyanirie meririria maku. Ngatho cia mwanya muno tugithie na mbere na kuhanga na twakiona tukiramate urori magukumia tugicamania ria ciriki hadara imwe cia hwaini ngikumenyithia mangi maria magiko makiyumiritie na magakihanika guko bururi-ini wa Kenya. Ni ria kwa ni Mwangi wa Murugi.